Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you what to do if your Hoover washing machine is displaying the error code E16. Now, this error code indicates that your washing machine is not heating the water properly inside the appliance. Now, this error code will usually show at the end of a wash cycle. Now, this code means that the heating element inside has failed and it needs to be replaced. Fortunately, this is a fairly easy fix. Let's get started. For this fix, you'll need a pair of water pump pliers, a 7mm socket, a 10mm socket with a wrench, a pair of safety gloves just to protect you from any sharp edges, and it's also a good idea to use a towel at the bottom of the machine to catch any water. Now, safety first, always unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. To access the heating element, we need to remove the back panel. To do this, we need to take off these 6 screws that hold it in place using the 7mm socket. And here we have the heating element. Now, try to remove it by first slackening off the 10mm bolt to the end of the thread with your 10mm nut runner, then take the connections off the element. I've just put a towel down at the bottom of the machine to catch any water that may come out from the element cavity. Now grab your water pump pliers, get a hold of the earth tab at the bottom, and then pull the element out. If you find that the heating element is stuck fast within the machine, here's a top tip for you. Try putting some boiling water inside the drum and then lean your machine back onto a stable surface. Now leave the machine for a few minutes with the boiling water inside it. Now this will soften and loosen the seal. Now upright your machine once more, plug it in, put a drain cycle on to take that water out, then unplug the machine once more and then try and remove the element. You should find that it's a lot easier to take out of the back of the machine. Now that your old heating element has been removed, it's time to fit the new one. Now, we've put a link in the description below for brand new heating elements. To find the correct one for your machine, you're going to need your make and model number. Now, if you're unsure of where to find this information, check out our video here, which takes you through exactly where to find the information for your appliance. Now you have the new heating element for your machine. Slide it into the cavity before refitting the electrical connections and tightening the bolt using your 10mm socket. Now that your new heating element is securely fitted, you can replace the back panel. Now, before you refit the back panel, do make sure that you have removed the towel from inside the washing machine. So there we have it, how to fix error code E16 on a Hoover washing machine. While it's great to be able to fix faults on your washing machine yourself, it's also a good idea to keep your machine safe and secure in the first place. Check out our video here on important safety checks on your washing machine. And of course, while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more how-to videos, repair guides, and cleaning and maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.